Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this challenge. It's Pinterest picks my outfit on the Style Showdown game mode on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to open up Pinterest here and I'm just going to type in jeans and denim. And the first one will be the outfit that I wear. So I'm going to have to wear this kind of fit. Okay, hopefully it's going to be there. I'm just going to open this up. I think I'm gonna wear like a hat for that. Don't know like what kind of. I think I'm going to wear the like really long hair for it. Oh my god, I need to set this to the side or else I'm not gonna be able to see what I'm supposed to wear. Maybe I'm going to do some like bangs with it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do these eyes instead. Okay. Okay, for the jeans, she wears like really baggy jeans. Okay, so I cannot find the baggy ones that they have in the men's section. So I am going to use this one. This one actually looks the part. And then she wears like a white tank top. I guess we'll use like this one. It's like the shorter. Oh, that's too short. What about the summer version? Okay, that didn't really do anything. Let's do default. And then she wears a jacket, which a hoodie. I can't really find any right now. Let's do the shoes first. Let's do shoes. Okay, let's do these ones. It's like all white, so I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to, okay, I was gonna add like a hat, but I can't find the like snapback hat. My gosh, do we not have like a hoodie? Okay, I'm going to instead use this one and like color it black, and then maybe like add some layers to like this one so that it's more volume-y. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Oops, wrong one. Oh, I do not like that with this. Let's like add a belt. I know she doesn't have one, but it's just a little bit too plain as of now. I honestly don't think I'm going to get a lot of points for this. Oh, she does have a bag, so we're going to use that in black. Okay, let's do that. Okay, that's it for the fit. Like, as you can see, this is what I had to work with, and this is the final result. Okay, let's see if we get into the next stage with that outfit. It's not the best, I'll be honest with that. Okay, cute fit. Okay, cute jeans. Cute jeans. Okay, this one's alright. I swear if I get voted off the first round, it's all Pinterest's fault because I would never be that basic. But oh my gosh, this one's cute. I actually really like this one. I'm a vote for her. Even though like the colors don't really match like that way, but it's creative. It's giving creativity. This one's also alright, I guess. Let me see what the girlies are talking about. Oh, 8. Amazing. Wow, go girl. Okay, let me just vote for my favorites. Oh my gosh, I have a feeling I'm gonna lose. I don't know about my fit. Okay, let's vote for this one. Then I guess this one, and I'll vote for this. Okay, my outfit is hella basic. Like, where are the jeans at, girl? Are we all like using the same jeans? Yes. Okay, anyways, that is it. I think I'm going to be eliminated anyways because of how basic my fit is. But that is it for this video. I hope it was fun for you guys to watch. I think you should, I think you should. Oh my gosh, what? Why? Okay. Anyways, I made it to the next round. Try this challenge maybe if you'd like to. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.